Hey guys, it's Remo and welcome to another week's update from our team. As we continue the golf theme and sharing kind of a metaphor story, I recently went to the driving range. This was sometime last week. And I get there, and as soon as I get there, this younger guy, probably in his late teens, maybe 20 years old, 21-year-old, and every time he would hit the ball would completely disintegrate. I mean, this kid was incredible. I've never seen someone in person hit as far and as well as this kid was doing. And as I sit there, kind of go to my balls, and I was a few stalls from him, and I continue to kind of watch that he just continues to crush the ball. And the metaphor is I could continue to like look at him and say, wow, he's great, or what does he have, or maybe he grew up in a family of golf, or many things. But the only way that my game is going to improve is if I spend the time and I continue to hit balls, continue to get better, right? And in no way am I looking at this, younger guy. Either I'm praising him, or I think, oh, he probably again has some sort of advantage. It does nothing to my game. So the moral of the story is, it doesn't matter what people around you are doing and where they're at, what training, what they have. The only way for us to improve our own game is to focus on ourselves. And at that point, that's when obviously our game gets better. So with that, let's get started. I thought it was kind of ironic. And yeah, by the way, I was thinking, oh, maybe I could take this up as a pretty aggressive hobby. And then I saw how good this kid was. I'm like, all right, never mind. I'm probably already, the time has passed to go pro. Anyways, let's get started. First, we want to congratulate our Bellflower Seller. Congratulations to Vladimir. They'll be closing. They were selling their townhome. Ended up getting close to 10% over the list price. Again, this market's just insane. So if you're thinking about selling, this is definitely an opportunity. And again, we're seeing a slight turn in the market where things are we're not getting the 10, 15 offers. We're getting 3, 5, 7 offers, which is still a lot, but it's not like it was, I would say, in June, where I think it probably peaked in mid-June or so. Next, we want to let you know that we do have our last workshop for the month. It's virtual. It is Thursday, which today, the day of shooting of this video. So Thursday, 7 p.m. If you're interested in buying and want to understand how the market is changing and how that impacts you as buying, this is a great opportunity to do so. It's free. It's myself sharing what the market looks like, how to buy, what programs are out there for first-time buyers, and so forth. So if that's you, please join us. There'll be a link somewhere around this video or in this email. Also, the home that we had on Madison, the house with the small guest house, is about to go into escrow. Also sold for about 7-8% above the asking price. So congratulations to those sellers. And then we have 2 coming up in the city of Whittier, one near Palm Park. So really nice area, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,700 square feet. And then we also have one in East Whittier on La Forge. That's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,500 square feet. So if you're interested in buying, let us know. We might have a home that might fit the family's needs right off the gate. So with that being said, I just, again, thank you for always your continued support to watch these videos. Hope this metaphor with this young guy resonated with maybe some of you. And if you have any questions, feel free to always reach out. And if you have anyone that's thinking about selling, please keep us in mind. Thanks, and we'll chat with you soon.